Okay, friends, I'm going to now show you the trade first subtraction method. Now, in the trade first subtraction, you're going to trade first, simply, just like it says. So go ahead and make sure that you've written trade first in your notebook and circle trade first. In this method, we're going to go ahead and subtract. We'll do 352 minus 164. I always like to put my columns here just to keep myself organized. So as I look here at the ones column, 2 minus 4 would get me a negative number. So if that happens, I need to come over to the tens and trade first. So I will regroup here and trade away one of my tens into 10 ones. Okay, now looking at my tens column, I have 4 minus 6. That would get me a negative 2. So I need to go next door and borrow some more. So I'm going to trade out 100 here into 10 tens. So now as I take a look, I want to make sure that I've got my number on top is larger. So I've got more on top, more on top, more on top here. So now I am ready to subtract my columns. So I see I've got 12 minus 4 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So just remember, when you're doing trade first subtraction, you need to do all of your trading before any subtraction. Okay? So I hope that you're following along in your notebook. We're going to try one more. If you need to pause here to catch up, go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go ahead and try 764, and we'll subtract 281. Remember, I need to put my columns in just to keep myself organized. I want you to pause right here and go ahead and do all of your trading first and give it a try. Once you've solved the problem, then you can unpause the video and check to see whether you got it right or not. Okay, I hope that you've given it a try on your own. So I take a look here at my ones column first. I've got more on top, so 4 minus 1 will be a positive number. When I look at my tens column, I have 6 minus 8, which I know would get me a negative number here, so I need to trade. So I will trade out one of my hundreds into 10 tens, so I have 16 tens. So now as I look, I want to check. I've got more on top, more on top, more on top, so I'm ready to subtract. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 6 minus 2 is 4. You raise a root for yourself if you got that correct. So just remember, when we're doing trade first subtraction, we do all of our trading first. All right, thank you, boys and girls.